Your Apple Watch can do more than just track fitness. You can actually use it as a camera remote to take photos and videos of your iPhone. And we're also going to show you a few quick tricks to control your iPhone camera right on your Apple Watch 11, so stay tuned. To further make sure your watch is synced with your iPhone, let's go ahead and grab your Apple Watch, press on the crown. You can either look for the camera icon in here or go for a list view and then find the camera remote app. As soon as you tap on it, camera will launch on your iPhone whether it's locked or unlocked. Now, first of all, in here, you can rotate the crown to zoom in or out the screen. You can then tap on the shutter to take a photo. It'll snap after a 3 seconds timer. If you don't want it to turn off the timer and check out some more settings, just tap on these dots and you can toggle off timer from here. You can also scroll down and you can switch between front and back camera. Enable the flash to auto on or off. You can turn live photos option into auto, on or off. If you want to take videos on your watch, you gotta first manually change into video mode on your iPhone. You can then zoom in and out with your crown like before, and then just tap on this recorder to start recording. And when you're done, just tap to stop recording. And from this dots menu, like before, you can also check out some video settings. But not just video, you can also manually switch to time-lapse or slow-mo, and that option will be activated on your watch as well. Now we're going to show you two simple but brilliant tricks. If you want to take a selfie using your iPhone's back camera, which is by the way stronger than the front one, of course, you're going to just flip your iPhone and face it towards your face. On your watch's camera remote, whether it's set to photo or video, just select the rear camera option. You can then see the camera screen right on your watch. So that's the whole point. And then when you're ready, you can just easily take a selfie with your iPhone's back camera by clicking it on your Apple Watch. There is another trick that you can try, especially taking group photos or videos. So when you're wearing your watch, just look at the screen, everything okay and ready, and then just double tap with your finger to trigger the shutter. And that will take the photo or video for you. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.